Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon business lists for recurring office supplies step by step clearly. Log into your Amazon business account. Navigate to the business lists section from the main menu. Click on the option to create a new list. Enter a name for your list, such as office supplies. Select the appropriate privacy settings for your list. Once created, you will be directed to the list page. Click on the option to add items to your list. Search for the office supplies you regularly need. Review product details and select the items that fit your needs. Click the Add to List button for each item. Once all items are added, return to your business lists page. Locate your newly created list and click on it. To set up recurring orders, find the option for scheduling. Choose the frequency for your recurring supplies, such as weekly or monthly. Confirm your selection by clicking Save or Confirm. Review the list to ensure all details are accurate. When ready, navigate to the checkout process. Select your payment method and billing information. Finalize your order by clicking on the Place Order button. You will receive a confirmation of your scheduled deliveries. Monitor your list periodically for any adjustments needed. This will help maintain a steady supply of essential office materials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.